Hello everyone, today I will show you how to share threads on Instagram. And here's how it's done. Here are two ways to share and link threads post on Instagram. 1. Share to Instagram story. On threads, tap the airplane icon below any post, the share button. Choose add to story. This will open Instagram story creation mode, where you can customize and move the post around as needed. Once you are happy with it, tap your story to share. Viewers can tap on your story and click View on Threads, which will take them directly to the post on Threads. 2. Share to Instagram feed. Tap the airplane icon again and select Post to Feed. It will open Instagram's feed post creation interface, where you can add filters, edit, and write a caption. After posting, your feed will display the post with a link that says View on Threads or via Threads. When people click that link, they will be taken directly to the original post on Threads. That is everything you need to know about how to share threads on Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.